Are you looking to get an address validation API on your website, but worried about the time and effort it will take to set up and maintain it? There's an SDK for that. Software development kits are plug-and-play tools that reduce the need to create functionalities from scratch. Smarty has several SDKs that make address validation easy as pie, including .NET, Android, Go, iOS, Java, JavaScript, PHP, Python, Ruby, and even Rust. Worried about the amount of developer time you'll spend getting address validation and geocoding set up on your site? There's an SDK for that.
I'd like to add address autocomplete to my web forms.
There's an SDK for that.
I want to validate existing customer data and new customer data as it comes in.
There's an SDK for that.
I was struck by lightning and have a hard time recalling childhood memories.
You should consult your doctor. With Smarty's easy-to-implement SDKs, you'll be up and running in no time flat. Our SDKs are extremely well written, expertly maintained and supported, and come with documentation that have been praised by many. Check out Smarty's address validation tools and SDKs today.